Hello students, this is a chapter number 43, special list of words. The fact that the English language contains very many words which have a similar consonantal structure was early recognized by the inventor of Pitman Shorthand, and provision was accordingly made in the system for the easy differentiation of these words by distinguishing outlines, so that the writer would have no difficulty either in the writing or in the transcription of these similarly constructed words. It is indeed mainly this inherent power of readily distinguishing similar words that makes Pitman Shorthand at once legible and capable of being written with extreme rapidity. It will be found that the application of the ordinary rules of the system provides distinguishing outlines in the great majority of cases, but where this is not so, distinction is obtained by the insertion of a vowel, or, in a few cases, by placing the outline out of position, or by writing a full outline instead of applying an abbreviating principle. In studying the following list of outlines, the student should seek to appreciate fully the reasons for the various forms and positions. Where a line contains more than one word, the first word is the root word, the others being derivatives. The list of words here given is not, of course, exhaustive. The student may easily compile further lists for himself, and proceeding upon the method here illustrated, he may at one and the same time test his vocabulary and enlarge it by starting with a few root words and from them building up lists of words formed from them by the addition of prefixes and suffixes. Exercise number 216 on for this chapter, special list of words. Compatible, compatibility, incompatible, incompatibility, pity, pitiable, pitiless, pitilessly, piteous, piteously, petrify, petrified, petrifaction, putrefy, putrefied, putrefaction, patron, patrons, patroness, patronage, passion, passionate, impassioned, patient, patience, patiently, impatience, impatient, impatiently, poor, poorness, poorer, poorest, pure, purer, purest, purity, purify, purification, impure, purpose, purposed, purposeful, purposes, purposing, perhaps, propose, proposed, proposition, proposal, proposer, prepare, prepared, preparation, preparatory, proper, properly, improper, improperly, property, propriety, impropriety, appropriate, appropriated, appropriation, appropriator, protect, protected, protection, protectionist, protector, protective, product, production, productive, productivity, compare, compared, comparison, comparative, comparatively, comparable, incomparable. Next is exercise number 217 on the speed of underwords per minute. Start. Is it compatible with fairness to call the trader a useless member of society, one that stands between producers and takes toll of the goods that are exchanged? That is a proper question, for we have seen that, although money intervenes in order to facilitate exchange, the appropriate fact is that commodities are exchanged for commodities, the pure wheat of Canada for the railway material of Warwickshire, the beef of the Argentina for the woolens made and prepared in Bradford. The farmer of the far stretching fields beyond Winnipeg works, perhaps for the purpose of feeding the operatives in an engine shop at Birmingham. Men tend cattle on the Great Plains of South America so that British workers may be the better fed, and the poorest worker here toils for those separated from him by wide areas of sea and land. It is not improper or inaccurate to say that we are all exchanging services. We may ask with perfect propriety, is a middleman, a trader, necessary? We are prepared to say that he is. It needs little thought or comparison of argument to bring home to ourselves how indispensable the trader's work is. The proposition is almost self evident when, as happened occasionally during the pitiable days of the war, the government felt constrained to take into its own hands the distribution of some commodity, petrol or meat or accommodation on board steamers. It was obliged to appoint armies of officials who did, after a certain amount of preparation and training, what traders had done cheaply and smoothly before. The work was, of course, incompatible with their intentions in early life, but it was important and required patience to carry it through. There is no essential difference between the work of the trader and the work of another man. The trader is helping to move products, and to move things is the only act that man is capable of. The trader helps the commodity along its lengthy journey from its production to its consumption. The trader seeks to place commodities where they shall be of most service for men. That is his purpose or business in life. He must know where the best and cheapest commodities are to be had. He must know also where these commodities will satisfy the keenest demand. सो दिस इज़ द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 217. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.